Well, this is our intro. We made red velvet cupcakes today, and we have guests right now, so
that's why it's really noisy and like they won't shut up.
And so we're not gonna even try to film an intro, but this is our intro.
They're gonna keep making fun of us if we keep talking. Johnny, want to be in it? Hi. We're not doing an intro yet, so we can just start with the cooking.
Okay. I'm gonna be your assistant today. I'm gonna be her assistant because this is her recipe. I have shoes on.
I know.
Well, it's like, okay. So I'm gonna be the assistant for Natalie today because this is her recipe for red velvet cupcakes. So.
Oh. Oh, I didn't write the recipe. I just have it in.
Well, she found it, so.
Yeah, my mom gave me a recipe book when I was like 12, and I've been using this recipe.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the dry ingredients.
And we're gonna put 2 1/4 cup of flour, which I already pre-measured at home, and we're gonna put it into this bowl. So yeah, 2 1/4 cup of flour, and then you're gonna add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, which again I pre-measured at home because I'm like that.
She came prepared.
And then you're going to set that aside. Just like that. Push it over there.
Okay, next.
We're gonna need to put the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Again, pre-measured. And then I'm gonna need the 1/2 cup of butter, but I don't think it stops in here. And now after you've mixed your eggs, butter, and sugar, you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And we don't have a teaspoon, so we're just gonna use an actual spoon. And it's just vanilla, so it's not gonna hurt you if you use more or less. It's not gonna hurt you. And now, the secret ingredient to make red velvets red food coloring. An ounce of red food coloring.
An ounce?
Yeah.
That whole thing?
Yeah, it's an ounce.
That's a lot.
Taking the lid off. 2 shots of vodka. Okay, mix it slowly. You're gonna get buttermilk. Now, unfortunately, my local store only had this, which is buttermilk, but I only need a cup of it. So you're gonna alternately add like the buttermilk and the dry mix.
Oh, it's gonna turn pink.
So mix that. And then I'm gonna add more buttermilk and then more of this, and so it's gonna go back and forth.
Minutes later.
Good. Yeah, look at this. And we're back. We're gonna make the cream cheese frosting. Can't see.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Hi. You're putting 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl like this, and you're just going to like plop it in there. It has to be softened cream cheese, not hard cream cheese. And then of butter, which I already did because, you know, prepared. Vanilla and a teaspoon. We'll add 2 teaspoons of milk. As you're mixing, you're gonna add 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you're just gonna add like 4 cups of powdered sugar, but you're just gonna like yeah, okay. You'll see. Now you're gonna add powdered sugar. So you're just gonna pour a cup and then mix it, and then pour another cup and mix it. And if you see it's like getting too thick, you're gonna add a tablespoon of milk, and just add more milk and more powdered sugar as you need it.
Oh, it's a brand. Like Nike and...